Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com CRO, take a look at Bitcoin, and give you guys my opinion on what I think is going to happen here. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading at $69,722, up about 0.95%. It's been quite a volatile day, flushing out those longs, flushing out those shorts, but Bitcoin dominance trading at 52.76%. A clear decision has been made, and when you exclude stablecoins, we're at 54.76%. So we are making our way to the upside, closer and closer to that 55% Bitcoin dominance level. I do expect us to reach 57% around the halving. 60% is on the table, but let's get to 57% first before I start making calls for a confident 60%. But we are seeing some altcoins bleed out against Bitcoin right now, and it is interesting to see. I do want to take a look here on the weekly because, guys, lots of people are turning bearish because we get a little bit of a shakeout. Nobody really knows what's going on. A lot of people think this is kind of the wackiest bull market we've been in so far, and I can agree with that. There's a lot of uncertainty. There's a lot of flip-flopping of we're bullish, we're bearish, we're bullish, we're bearish. I just want you guys to know when you look at the weekly time frame, the monthly time frame, the 2-weekly, it paints a really clear picture that we're going to continue to the upside for some time. When we look at the halving, it shows that we have another 14 to 28 weeks of green daily candle close on the table, and I believe that that's probably going to play out. But I do want to take a quick look at CRO because CRO is coiling very, very nicely here, and I do expect a significant breakout once we reach the end of this coil. But I do also have to preface that and say that I do believe that CRO is quite the laggard, and I think that CRO really moves when the masses of retail show up and FOMO into crypto. That's when you really see CRO move. It's a really good indicator of retail sentiment on the crypto space, because the first thing that retail does when they hear about crypto is they go on Google, they search crypto, and the first thing that comes up is crypto.com. And, well, the next step would be buying CRO. That's what you would hope for, and that's what I like to use this as a signal for retail. And I do think that CRO is coiling up here, and we'll probably see a breakout, whether it's to the upside or the downside. Time will tell based on what Bitcoin decides to do here. Bitcoin really is chopping around here, really really throwing everybody in for a loop, and it's honestly a good thing, resetting the RSI, cooling off a little bit, but really this is a bullish formation that we're forming on Bitcoin. So as we get closer to the halving, I do expect a big move to the upside. I do expect that. Whether or not we see that little sell-off beforehand, time will tell, but I do expect after the halving we do make our way to the upside. And that being said, after Bitcoin dominance makes its way to 57% with that larger move to the upside with Bitcoin, and we start to trade sideways, that's when you should expect CRO to make a larger move. And if we were to, let's just for fun test this out, if we were to break out to the upside from this triangle here and measure it, that would bring us up to about a 25-cent CRO. Pretty cool to see. I really want to see a breakout above that 20 cents, but we haven't really tested it in a while, and really it's been a couple of years since we tested. We just broke straight through it and then tested it as resistance after a kind of a dead cat bounce as we were leading into the bear market. But it would be really nice to start testing that and turn that resistance into support. And I do think that that could play out very, very nicely. But guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Go follow me on Instagram at 333Blacksea. I'm very active over there. I just gave away $100 worth of CRO to one of you guys that are following me when I reached 100 followers. I know some of you guys unfollowed me after that, but that's okay. There's more giveaways to come. I'm going to be giving away to you guys that follow me on Instagram and Twitter and on YouTube, but I'm going to be doing some more giveaways to funnel you guys over to Instagram. So go follow me there. If you want to check out some awesome referral links, we have a $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. All you got to do is go below this video in the description box, click the link to Femex, deposit, trade a little bit, and you get a bunch of free money. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.